Invisalign Virtual Care enables your doctor to virtually monitor your treatment progress, ensuring that your new smile stays on track. Doctors monitor treatment by analyzing clear, high-quality photos taken with the Invisalign lens. In this video, we will show you how to use the My Invisalign app and Invisalign lens. When your Invisalign provider enrolls you into Invisalign Virtual Care, you will receive an email or text message invitation, along with a second email containing the invitation code to set up your account. Follow the link to download the My Invisalign app. Open the My Invisalign app to create an account. Tap Create Account. Enter your email address and patient ID from your aligner bag. Then, enter the invitation code you received from Align Technology, the makers of Invisalign. Make sure to check your spam folder if you didn't receive the code. Your name and contact information should be pre-populated in the next screen. Finish entering your account details, choose a password, and accept the terms and conditions. Next, choose to enable Face ID or select a PIN to create your account. Congratulations, your account has been created. Finally, confirm your aligner schedule and set your aligner change reminders based on your doctor's guidance. You are now successfully set up with Invisalign Virtual Care and should see the My Care tab on your app. When you initially click on the My Care tab, you will see a short welcome overview and will also be able to review the detailed instructions of use. You can review these at any time under the About tab. With each aligner change, you will receive a notification from the My Invisalign app to take progress photos using the Invisalign lens. Remember to enable notifications, as these photos will help your doctor monitor your progress and keep your new smile on track. Next, we will assemble the Invisalign lens, which consists of 3 parts: the photo lens, the frame, and a slider. Step 1. Connect the frame to the lens and snap it in place. Step 2. Connect the frame to the slider. Please note that cameras in the upper left corner of the phone start at the 1 position on the slider. Be sure to change the slider position to accommodate your phone's camera. In some limited instances, the flash may be covered by the lens. If your phone's flash is covered, we recommend taking photos during the daytime in a well-lit space. Step 3. Connect the slider to one side of the phone and pull the adjustable slider grip to fit around the phone, making sure the camera is centered in the lens. The lens setup is now complete. Now it's time to take photos and submit them to your doctor. Make sure to face a mirror so that the phone screen is in the reflection. Remember, you will receive a notification to send progress photos to your doctor after completing each aligner stage. Simply click on the notification or pop-up screen in the My Invisalign app and select Send Photos to get started. You can also send photos to your doctor at any time by opening the My Invisalign app and navigating to the My Care tab. If you are given a choice between cheek retractor or Invisalign lens, select the appropriate accessory provided by your doctor. Remember, the lens is the recommended accessory for optimal photo taking, so ask your doctor to provide you an Invisalign lens if you don't have one already. Place the lens in your mouth by inserting the contour end inside the corner of the mouth and lips. Stretch your lips to place the outer side of the device inside your mouth. Then follow the prompts in the app to take pictures of your teeth. Refer to the My Invisalign app for photo taking instructions. The app will guide you through each photo using voice guidance, and once you have correctly aligned your bite, the camera will automatically capture the photo. For the first set of photos, you will take 3 pictures with your aligners in and a slightly open bite. The app will guide you through the process of taking photos of the front, left, and right sides of your teeth. For the second set of photos, remove your aligners. You will take 6 pictures. The app will again guide you through the process of taking photos of the front, left, and right sides of your teeth. You will take each of these photos with both an open bite and a closed bite. For the third set of photos, you will take 2 pictures. The app will guide you through the process of taking photos of the upper arch and lower arch of your teeth. Remember that the photos are the most important part of Invisalign Virtual Care, so make sure to follow the photo-taking instructions before submitting photos to your doctor. High-quality images help ensure your doctor can optimize your treatment and keep your treatment on track. After you finish taking your photos, the app will display your photos on a single screen. Before you submit, Please make sure your photos are clear. Now tap Send Photos. Congrats, your photos are sent. You will receive notifications within 1 hour. If you receive an on-track notification, your new smile is progressing according to your custom treatment plan. Continue wearing your aligners as directed. An instructions notification means your doctor may provide you with additional guidance, such as wearing your aligners for an additional 3 days. If your doctor has indicated a change to your aligner wear schedule, these changes will automatically be reflected in your app. You can also chat directly with your doctor's office about your treatment at any time in the Messages tab. Continue to submit your photos at every aligner change. Your photos and messages allow your doctor to identify and address potential issues. You are now ready for Invisalign virtual care. Feel confident knowing your doctor is overseeing your Invisalign treatment every step of the way. Congratulations on taking another step on your journey to a new smile.